Let us continue with the chapter factors and multiples. So, here you are seeing a drawing of 12 people. So, these 12 people are arranged in different formats, in different ways. Let us see how many ways they have arranged. They have arranged into 12 ways. In the first group we have 12 groups, in the second groups we have 6 groups, and in the third group we have 4 groups, in the fourth group we have 3 groups, and the fifth group we have 2 groups and 2 are left out, and in the sixth group we have 2 groups, and seventh group we have 1 group and 5 are left out. In eighth group we have 1 group and 4 are left out. In the ninth group we have 1 group and 3 are left out. In the 10th group we have 1 group and 2 are left out. In the 11th group we have 1 group and 1 is left out. And in 12th group we have 1 group. So here we have arranged the people into different formats. But in how many ways, or in how many type of groups, we do not find anyone remaining. In how many type of groups we do not find anyone left. In the first way they have arranged 12 groups. When we group the 12 members into 12 groups, we have 12 groups and no one is left out. And in the second way we have 6 groups and no one is left out. And in the third way we have 4 groups and no one is left out. And in the third group and in the fourth way we have 3 groups and no one is left out. And also in the sixth way we have 2 groups and no one is left out. And in the 12th way we have 1 group and no one is left out. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 12 are the groups where no one is left out. All are included in the group. So in the group 1 there is 1 member in each group. In the group 2 there are 2 members in each group. In the group 3 there are 3 members in each group. In the group 4 there are 4 members in each group. In the group 6 there are 6 members in each group. In the group 12 there are 12 members in each group. So the group in which no one is left out and the group in which no one is left out is known as factors. The number of people in every group is known as factor. For example, in the sixth group there is 2 groups and no one is left out, and in each group there are 6 members. So 6 is the factor. In the fourth group there are 3 groups and no one is left out, and there are 4 members in each group. So 4 is the factor. Like that, the group in which no one is left out and everyone is included, and that group is known as factor, or the members in each group is known as factor. Observe the following examples. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Here 1 is the multiple of 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Therefore 2 is the multiple of 2. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 is the multiple of 6. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. So 9 is the multiple of 9. 11 into 1 is equal to 11. 11 is the multiple of 11. From the above examples, we can conclude that every number is a multiple of itself. Observe the following examples. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So 1 is the multiple of 1. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So 2 is the multiple of 1. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. So 5 is the multiple of 1. 1 into 10 is equal to 10. So 10 is the multiple of 1. 1 into 15 is equal to 15. So 15 is the multiple of 1. From the above example, we can conclude that every number is the multiple of 1. Which are the two numbers to be multiplied to get the product 8? So, here one example is given, 1 into 8 is equal to 8. Here in the second one, 2 into dash is equal to 8. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So 4 and 2 are factors. 4 into dash is equal to 8. That is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So 2 and 4 are factors. 8 into dash is equal to 8. So 8 into 1 is equal to 8. So 1 and 8 are factors. The example 4. Find the factors of 48. 1 into 48 is equal to 48. So 2 into dash is equal to 48. That is 2 into 24 is equal to 48. So 24 and 2 are factors. 3 into dash is equal to 48. That is 3 into 16 is equal to 48. 3 into 16 is equal to 48. So 16 and 3 are factors. So 4 into dash is equal to 48. That is 4 into 12 is equal to 48. 12 and 4 are factors. 6 into 8 is equal to 48. That is given. And 8 into dash is equal to 48. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. And 12 into dash is equal to 48. That is 12 into 4 is equal to 48. 16 into dash is equal to 48. That is 16 into 3 is equal to 48. Next, 24 into dash is equal to 48. That is 24 into 2 is equal to 48. Then 48 into 1 is equal to 48. Then 4 into 12 is equal to 48. Therefore, the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. We can conclude that when two or more numbers are multiplied to get the product, the numbers multiplied are called factors of the product. So here you can see, if 48 is divided by 2 and the quotient that we get when we divide 48 by 2 is 24, the remainder is 0. And if we divide 48 by 3, quotient is 16 and remainder is 0. And if we divide 48 by 8, quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. And if we divide 48 by 48 by 12, we get 4. So the quotient is 4 and remainder is 0. Here the number, from this what we can conclude? We can conclude that a number is a factor of a given number if it divides the given number completely, leaving 0 as the remainder. And if a number divides a number and if we get the remainder 0, then that number is known as factor. If the sum of the factors of a given number is equal to the twice of the number, then the number is called the perfect number. For example, consider the number 6. What are the factors of 6? The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now if we add 1, 2, 3 and 6, what do we get? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. Therefore, what is 12? 12 is 2 into 6. So 12 is twice 6, if twice the 6. So the 6 is 6 is called the perfect number. 6 is called the perfect number. That is, if the sum of all the factors of a given number is equal to the twice of the number, then the number is called the perfect number. Factor tree. Any number which can be expressed as the product of two numbers, any number which can be expressed as the product of two numbers, those two numbers are called factors. This can be represented diagrammatically by the factor tree as follows. See here, you can see the diagram, the drawing. So 24 has two factors, that is 2 and 12. And 12 has two factors, that is 2 and 6. 6 has two factors, that is 2 and 3. So here they have given to complete the following factor tree. 24 has two factors. What are they? 2 and 12. And 2 has two factors. 24 has two factors, that is 2 and 12. And 12 has two factors, that is 4 and 3. And 4 has two factors, that is 2 and 2. Again they have given complete the factor tree, that is 24 has two factors and we do not know what are those factors, and one of the factors has 4 as the factor. Therefore what is that number? So that number is 12. 12 2s are 24 and 12 has two factors, that is 4 and 3. 2 has two factors, that is 2 and 1. 18, let us complete the factor tree here. Okay, 18 has two factors, that is 3 and 6. And 6 has two factors, that is 3 and 2. Again we can have another factor tree, that is 18 has two factors, that is 2. Another factor is 9. Another factor is 9. 9 has two factors, that is 3 and 3. 3 and 3.